Tivicay. What is the latest HIV treatment? Tivicay, commonly known as Dolutegravir. Hello, Mark Medicals here, teaching you about HIV symptoms, HIV testing, the latest HIV cure news, HIV transmission, and all about HIV infection. Today, let us learn the basics about Tivicay or Dolutegravir. Here is the basic information you need to know. 1. Dolutegravir-based regimen along with Biktarvy are two of the commonest HIV treatment available today. 2. Tivicay-based regimen like triumeq or TLD will rapidly help you obtain undetectable HIV in less than 3 to 6 months. No HIV resistance has been reported, making it one of the best HIV treatments on the market today. 3. Tivicay is an HIV treatment used with other medicines to treat HIV type 1. 4. It can be safely used by all adults and babies aged 4 weeks and above. The benefits of Tivicay in babies under 4 weeks are not documented as of today. 5. Tivicay is used together with rilpivirine as a complete regimen to treat people living with HIV. You can use this regimen to start treatment or replace your current regimen. 6. It was given marketing approval by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, in the US in 2013 and in Europe in January 2014, so it is one of the commonest HIV treatments being used today. 7. It can be taken with or without food, and to take Dolutegravir after at least 6 hours if you are on antacids, calcium supplements, iron supplements, and multivitamins. 8. Short-term side effects of Tivicay include body rash, abnormal dreams, tiredness, stomach problems, and liver problems in people with a history of hepatitis. 9. You should call your doctor if you develop yellow eyes, dark urine, and light-colored stools. If you found this video useful, subscribe and get notified every time we upload new videos. Till then, nice time.